Astra is a popular WordPress theme. However, you may be wondering if the free package with all of its features is the better choice compared to the paid version. Well, today we're going to compare both of them and see which one you should be using for your particular needs. So let's climb straight in. Alright, so let us first jump straight into Astra Pro's benefits. So first of all, you have advanced customization options, which basically allows you a wide range of customization features, which includes header layout, footer options, and typography settings, which of course can give you a super tailored, unique look. You also get access to a library of professional pre-built website templates that can be imported with a single click. This absolutely can save you tons of time. Astra Pro is also optimized for speed and performance. If that's what you're looking for, it's the option for you. It ensures your website loads a lot quicker and more efficiently, which is crucial for user experience as well as SEO if you are into that. Pro users can also benefit from advanced WooCommerce features, which is great, such as custom product layouts and additional design options. More customization. This makes it easier for you to create an online store. Absolutely. So if you want to create custom layouts for posts, pages, and archives, the Pro version is definitely for you. This provides you greater flexibility in how your content is actually displayed. Also, if you are an agency or developer, Astra Pro allows for white labeling, enabling you to brand the theme as your own. Now, if the Pro version does not seem like something that you want to go for, let's have a look at some of the benefits that you will receive if you are still using the free version. Now, Astra Free is very lightweight. It's a fantastic theme, and it's designed for speed, and it ensures a quick loading time for your website. Also, you can still enjoy essential customization features such as color settings, typography, and even layout options without any of the costs. The free version is also compatible with popular page builders like Elementor, Beaver Builder, and Gutenberg, making it easy to create super awesome custom layouts. The free version is also built with SEO best practices in mind, which can help your website rank better in search engine results. Who doesn't want that? If you're on the free package, you also receive regular updates ensuring compatibility with the latest WordPress versions and also the latest features. Now, let's have a look just quickly at one or two of the disadvantages. There is limited features in the free version. Of course, you can imagine it's free and they do have a paid package. So you may lack some of the advanced features if that is of course what you're looking for. Also, you don't get priority support, so if you do run into any issues, it can be a bit of a drawback, and if your website or your work is standing still, that's obviously not good. The free version also has a limited selection of templates compared to the extensive library that is available in the Pro package. However, depending on what your use case is, the disadvantages actually might just be advantages. Now, of course, to distinguish whether the Pro version or the free version is best for you is to have a look at their benefits and actually use the product and see which one fits your needs best in a more practical manner. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.